Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Chevrolet Camaro nameplate will reportedly die after the 6th generation car drives into the sunset with no 7th generation on the drawing board. Tightening emissions laws mean that the big, burly sports cars won't have a home in Europe for much longer.
Let's help you make your mark.
While the Camaro offers slightly more variety, the Mustang offers a better overall powertrain lineup, but not by much. Compare their base 4-cylinder engines, and the Mustang's is better, as it puts out considerably more power while returning almost the same fuel economy. 30 October 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pony car enthusiasts may soon be forced to opt for a Ford Mustang, Chevy Corvette, or Dodge Challenger, because the Camaro is reportedly being discontinued. The 2023 6th-generation Chevrolet Camaro will likely be the last model year, unless the nameplate is revived again in the future. 24 November 2020.
Take our lead.
We can only hope for a 7th generation of Camaro, but it looks unlikely until 2025 or 2026 at the earliest. But then again, Camaro fans have shown a propensity toward patience. Besides, it might be worth the wait. 30 June 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Camaro 1 will be replaced by the Camaro 1 LE, which is based on the most powerful version of the current generation Camaro. The 1 LE is the highest performer within the Camaro production car lineup. Jim Campbell, Chevy's U.S. Vice President of Performance and Motorsports, said in a press release. 31 October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.